What's up, folks? Welcome to PowerDrift. Thank you for tuning in to Simplified. In this episode of Simplified, we are going to be talking about insurance. Well, we did that last time around when we met, but this time we're going to talk about types of insurances, and a big thanks and a big shout out to good folks at Reliance General Insurance for making insurance content happen on Simplified. There are two types of vehicle insurances for cars or motorcycles: third-party insurance and own damage insurance. You can buy either of them separately, by the way, or you can add those two up and get yourself a comprehensive insurance plan. As simple as that. Let's talk about third-party vehicle insurance, right? Now, this is mandated requirement by the government, by the way, in the Motor Vehicles Act. So please go get yourself a third-party vehicle insurance. What it really means is that it keeps you clear of any financial liabilities that might arise because you rammed into someone, you did not indicate, and someone rammed into you. All the losses and the damages that can occur to a third party, well, that's covered by third party insurance. So it's like a financial cushion, of course, to fall back on when things go south, so that you don't have to reach out into your pocket only to see you have no money left to pay to the third person, the third party. So what are these third parties that we speak of? Well, you're the first party, by the way. The company you purchase the insurance from, let's say Reliance General Insurance, that's the second party. And in case of an unfortunate incident, you've created damage for some third party, well, then that's the third party. For example, if you severely injure someone in such harsh incidents, the third party insurance will cover the charges for the third person, the person that you caused the damage to, and thereby you're covered by third party insurance. Reliance General Insurance will also give you up to 3 years of third party vehicle insurance, and that means basically you don't have to have the headache of renewing your policy annually, because everybody knows that's a headache. The only drawback of a third party insurance is that only the third party is covered financially. You are not covered with the third party insurance, right? And so obviously for that you require the own damage insurance, the second type of insurance that we spoke of. So it's the type of insurance that provides coverage for the damage to the policyholder's vehicle. It's kind of like your first line of defense against forces of nature, you could say. Typhoons, floods, earthquakes, vandalism, that happens. Cyrus does that a lot. Accidents, total damage, or theft. Now you can call on for your cover against these for damages caused to your car. So if you do damage your ride or car while driving in a natural or unnatural incident, well, then don't worry, just get yourself own damage insurance. It's important, and cover the finances so that you don't have to reach out to your pocket. But here's the fun part. Now, the good folks at Reliance General Insurance empower you to handcraft your own insurance policies, by the way, with add-on benefits. You know, there are up to 11 add-ons, and you'll be surprised how much Reliance General Insurance cover. You know, it's like making your own Subway, whether you want onions, veggies to be going in there, which sauces. Maybe you want to cover your personal belongings that got stolen because the car, somebody broke into it. Yes, they cover that. Consumable expenses like engine, oil, coolants, check, they cover that. You want a zero debt policy? Well, they cover that. If you want to explore this and more of these add-ons and what the policies are going to do for you and how good they are, well, just head over to the description. We have thrown in a link to Reliance General Insurance below. Check it out. Being on the road, guys, misfortune will find you. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when, unfortunately. And the best thing that you and I can do is, be prepared. And the best thing is to have insurance policies, no doubt. At such times, your safety also counts as much as your vehicles. And so you're going to need the insurance policies to stay covered. Next up, we are going to talk about, that big headache that people have to undertake, which is how to make claims. Insurance services like online support, on-site support by the insurance companies, the steps you need to take, to take advantage of the insurance policy that you have. All of this and more coming up next on Simplified. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Goodbye.